Right now, Roxy's in the zone, partner. Mashallah, that boy's playing a beautiful game. His accuracy, sharper than a Texas sunrise.
I swear, wallah, the aim is clean. High accuracy like a laser sight in the desert. No panic, no rush, just calm hands and fast moves.
Fast? That's an understatement. Those movements are quick like a horse breaking loose at the rodeo. You blink and the enemy's already respawning.
This ain't button mashing, folks. This is discipline. Every shot got intention. Every move got purpose.
Exactly. In Call of Duty, this is what we call control. Aim steady, reaction time crazy, and confidence through the roof. Mashallah again.
Honestly, if accuracy paid rent, Raxi would own the whole map by now.
Taking C. We're losing Alpha.